Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Surya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss call by value versus call by reference in C. This is continuation to previous video, part 25, pointers in C. Please go through previous video before going to this video. What is meant by call by value? If we change the value at called function, then it will not change the value at calling function. This is called call by value. What is meant by call by reference? If we change the value at called function, then it will change the value at calling function. This is called call by reference. We'll discuss these concepts over VS Code, launch VS Code and create C application. Here we are writing the program to swap the values. Printf, enter A and B values. Declare two variables and read the input from command prompt. Int A comma B. Scanf %d, comma, address of A, comma, address of B. Here we will invoke swap function, swap, and pass A, comma B. We need to print A and B values before swap and after swap. Printf before swap, A equal to %d, B equal to %d, comma A comma B. Here /n. Copy this statement, paste here after swap. We need to invoke swap function. We implement swap function void swap. Declare two parameters, int A comma int B. Declare temporary variable to swap the values, int temp equal to A equal to B equal to temp. Now execute the program, Control F5, go to terminal, enter A and B, 5 and 8. Here before swap A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. After swap A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. Here mention /n. Now we'll see what is happening. Put breakpoint here, go to run, click on start debugging, F11, enter A and B values, 5, enter 8. Now here A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. Print output. Here before swap A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. F11, we are passing A and B to swap function. F11, here A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. First A value is stored into temporary variable. Now temporary variable is equal to 5. Let B value stored into A. A is equal to 8. Later temporary value stored into B. Temp is equal to 5. 5 is stored into B. Here we pass 5 comma 8. After swap A is equal to 8. B is equal to 5. Here values are swapped. F11. Now if we print output here A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. That means before swap A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. After swap A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. Here values are not changed. We'll see what is call by value. If we change the value at call function, then it will not change the value at calling function. This is calling function. This is called function. Here these variables will call as a parameters. Here these values will call as a arguments. Here we change the values of A and B in call function, but it's not reflected at calling function. So this is called call by value. Here we are passing the values. After that those values are not reflected here. So here we are getting output as before swap A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. After swap A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. Now we will see same program with call by reference. Here we are passing the values. In the place of passing the values, we will pass addresses. How to pass the addresses? We will use ampersand symbol. Here ampersand A, ampersand B. This is called address of operator. Now execute this program, Control F5. Here we are getting error. What is error? Here we have two errors. One is invalid conversion from int pointer to int. Second one is invalid conversion from int pointer to int. What it means? Here, we are passing addresses to the swap function, but we are storing that addresses in normal variables. If you want to store addresses, we can't store in normal variables. We need to create pointer variables. Here declare pointer variable like int pointer A, int pointer B. Now we need to swap values. If you want to swap the values, we need to use value at operator, pointer A equal to pointer B. Here pointer B. Address of operator provides address of the variable. Value at address operator will give value from that address. Now execute this program. Control F5. F5. Here enter A and B values. 5. Enter 8. Here before swap A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. After swap A is equal to 8, B is equal to 5. Here the values are swapped. What is the meaning of call by reference? If we change the value at call function, then it will change the value at calling function. That means here we change the value in call function, then automatically those values reflected in calling function. So this is called call by reference. How it's working? We'll debug this program. Here we have breakpoint. Go to run. Click on start debugging. F11. Read input values. 5. Enter 8. Here before swap A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. F11. Here we are not passing values. We are passing address of A and address of B. What is the address of A? Select this one. Right click. Evaluate in debug console. We are passing 0x61 FECC. Select B. Right click. Evaluate in debug console. Here address of B is 0x61 FEC8. So we are passing addresses F11. Now this one contains addresses. Now we need to change the values at that address. If you want to change the values, we need to use pointer operator. If you select A and right click, evaluate in debug console, A contains address. If you want to get value from that address, we need to use pointer A. Select this part, right click, evaluate in debug console. Here pointer A is equal to 5. 5 assigned to temporary variable. Now temp is equal to 5. Later pointer B, evaluate in debug console. Here pointer B contains 8. 8 stored into pointer A. Now A contains 8. Now temp contains 5. 5 stored into pointer B. Here select this one. Evaluate in debug console. Here pointer B is equal to 5. Now print the output. So due to addresses, the values are swapped, and also called function values are reflected in calling function. Now we'll check address of these variables. Here printf /n main address A equal to %u, B equal to %u, comma address of A, comma address of B. We'll copy this statement. Here swap address is equal to A %u, B is equal to %u. Here A comma B. Here this A contains address, so we are mentioning A comma B. Now debug this program. Go to run. Click on start debugging. F11. Here 5. Enter 8. Before swap A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. Later we are printing addresses. Here A address is 220, B address is 216. Here we are passing the addresses. Right click, evaluate in debug console. Here address A is equal to 0x61 FECC. Now A contains address, B contains address. Swap the values and print the addresses from call function. F11. Go to terminal. Main method address are A is equal to 220, B is equal to 216. And swap address are 220, 216. That means we are passing addresses to call function. If you change any value in that address, it will reflect in calling function. Same thing we will check for call by value. Remove this code. Here, remove this one. remove all pointers, and here we'll pass values. This example for call by value. Here we are passing values. If you want to print address of those variables, then here address of A, address of B. Debug this code, go to run, click on start debugging. F11. Here we need to read input values. 5, enter, 8. Here A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8. Here addresses in main function are 220, 216. Call swap function. Here A, B, let us swap the values. If we check the address of these things, here swap address are A is equal to 192, B is equal to 196. If you compare main address and swap address, both are different. That means this address will be applicable for only this function and this address will be applicable for only this function. So if we change any value here, those values are not reflected calling function. So the values are not changing. What we discuss in this program is, one is call by value. Call by value means if we change the value at called function, then it will not change the value at calling function. Later we discuss call by reference. If we change the value at called function, then it will change the value at calling function. Why it will change means we are passing address of those variables. Due to addresses, the values are changing. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.